Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to adjust macros per meal in MyFitnessPal. So actually to do that it's so easy, but there is a condition. It's you need to be subscribed to the app so you can get through that option or that feature. So let's just open up our MyFitnessPal app, and right here as you can see we are on the dashboard, but I want to go into three dots more in the bottom right corner. Just tap on it, and right here as you can see we have multiple options. I want to just focus on or to go to goals option. Tap on it, and right here as you can see I talked about the subscription. So the option that I'm talking about is the middle one on the nutrition goals section. So it says stay on track with the calorie goal for each meal. So yeah, that's the subject of the video. So once you tap on it, if you are not subscribed, you will be forwarded to this page, so you can right here choose the plan that you want to go with. So for example, I want to go with 1 month, so I will just go and hit the start 30-day free trial, and I will go with subscribe, and I will be subscribed to the app. Alright, for the ones that are already subscribed, you just need to go to this option, and right here there you can customize, you can choose the customize by meal. You will find that option, and then you need to set the customization for each meal, for the breakfast, lunch, dinner and snacks. And yeah, also you need to set the calories, carbs, protein and fats in grams. Alright, so once you are finished, you just need to go and hit the save button when of course you are done. Anyways, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.